Hey, how's it going? My name is Logan, HRAC, Appliance Repair Service. I'm not sure I mean, rack. I mean, I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, but my name is Logan. I'm making this real quick video here for you to show you a few changes you can make to your website that would really help you to make some more money off this thing, get you in contact with more customers that are actually going to it. Looking around, I gotta say, I do like the setup overall. I mean, the logo looks great. Your pictures are fantastic. There's a few things I'd recommend. You want to condense down to using one phone number per page. Make that one phone number just big and obvious and impossible to miss as a customer going to your website. You also want to take a contact form and put that form on every single page of your site. I like using the free instant quote form, with the bright red color and the arrows pointing down. You really can't miss it. Add in some sort of coupon, you'll definitely see a lot more form submissions coming through, or discount, and just get the basic information you need. Keep it nice and short. Other than that, if you have any questions or if you're looking to bring in some more customers and update this thing, just feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help.